As the late spring sun warms the European landscape, a hidden world of insects bursts into life, transforming the season with their quiet but vital presence. Join us as we uncover the secrets of these remarkable creatures and reveal why they're the unsung heroes of this season's natural wonders. In the gentle warmth of spring, as nature stirs from its winter rest, dragonflies begin their enchanting performance near ponds, rivers, and lakes. These shimmering insects, often called the jewels of the insect world, mark the season with their vibrant colors and swift, graceful flights. With a history stretching back over 300 million years, dragonflies are not only a delight to watch, but also vital to the ecosystems they inhabit. Spring is a pivotal time in the dragonfly's life cycle. After spending the colder months as nymphs beneath the water surface, they undergo a stunning metamorphosis. The nymphs crawl onto plants or rocks, shed their larval skin, and emerge as winged adults. This mass emergence fills the air with the hum of new wings, a breathtaking sign of renewal that perfectly mirrors the spirit of the season. Dragonflies are more than just pretty faces. They're aerial acrobats. With the ability to zip through the air at speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, hover, or even fly backwards, they're a marvel of agility. Their large, multifaceted eyes give them near 360-degree vision, making them expert hunters. In spring, they feast on mosquitoes and other small insects, naturally keeping pest populations in check. Beyond their charm and skill, dragonflies play a critical ecological role. Their nymphs thrive only in clean, oxygen-rich water, making these insects key indicators of environmental health. A flourishing dragonfly population signals a healthy ecosystem, particularly around water bodies. With over 5,000 species worldwide, dragonflies dazzle with their variety. From the fiery reds of the scarlet skimmer to the striking blues of the blue dasher, their vivid hues and intricate patterns are a showcase of nature's creativity. Spring is the ideal time to spot these beauties, as their numbers and activity surge, offering a colorful spectacle for anyone near a water's edge. As spring breathes new life into Europe's landscapes, a hidden world stirs beneath the surface. Small spiders, often overlooked, emerge from their winter retreats, ready to play their part in the season's renewal. These tiny arachnids, though seldom the stars of nature's show, are essential players in the intricate web of life that defines spring. With the warming temperatures, these spiders become more active. After months of dormancy, they begin to spin intricate webs, their silken threads glistening in the morning dew as they catch the season's first insects. For some species, spring also marks the beginning of courtship rituals, as males perform delicate dances or offer gifts of prey to woo potential mates. Among the most common small spiders in Europe are the garden spider and the zebra spider. The garden spider, easily recognized by the distinctive white cross on its abdomen, weaves large, intricate orb webs in gardens, meadows, and hedgerows. These webs, often seen shimmering with dew, are marvels of natural engineering. In contrast, the zebra spider, named for its bold black and white stripes, is a jumping spider that relies on its remarkable agility to hunt rather than trap its prey. With keen eyesight and lightning-fast reflexes, it pounces on insects with precision, showcasing a different but equally fascinating survival strategy. These small spiders, though often unnoticed, are vital to the ecosystem. As predators, they help control insect populations, keeping pests in check. In turn, they serve as a crucial food source for birds, small mammals, and other predators. As the chill of winter fades and spring breathes new life into the natural world, small ants across Europe emerge from their underground nests. In forests, gardens, and meadows, these tiny creatures bustle with purpose, their presence a subtle yet vital part of the season's awakening. During the cold months, many small European ants, like the common black garden ant, enter a dormant state, conserving energy in their nests. With spring's arrival, rising temperatures stir them awake. They venture to the surface, foraging for food, nectar, small insects, and other resources to replenish their colonies after winter's scarcity. This burst of activity marks the return of these industrious insects, a sure sign of the changing season. Ants play a big role in their habitats. Their tunneling aerates the soil, enhancing its fertility, while some species, such as the wood ant, disperse seeds, aiding plant growth. Ants also serve as prey for birds, spiders, and other animals, linking them to the broader ecosystem. While dragonflies, spiders, and ants often capture attention, a diverse array of other insects, butterflies, beetles, bees, and various flying species, take center stage. These late spring bugs may be small, but their roles in the ecosystem are immense, driving the cycles of growth, renewal, and balance that define this season. The sheer variety of these insects in Europe is a marvel. The continent boasts over 20,000 species of beetles alone, a figure that speaks to the richness of its habitats, from dense forests to open meadows. Butterflies and moths add another 10,000 species to this mosaic, while bees, ranging from solitary dwellers to hive-bound collectives, number in the thousands. The relevance of these insects extends far beyond their ecological roles, touching the very fabric of human life. Pollinators, including butterflies, bees, and hoverflies, are responsible for the growth of over 75% of the world's flowering plants, a service that translates to billions of euros in agricultural output across Europe each year. Their work ensures the abundance of fruits, vegetables, and seeds that stock our tables. Meanwhile, the predatory habits of beetles and hoverfly larvae keep destructive pests at bay, reducing the need for chemical interventions. This interplay of benefits highlights their dual role as both economic assets and ecological linchpins. Beetles and caterpillars, though less glamorous, are equally indispensable, showcasing an astonishing diversity of roles. Some toil beneath the surface, breaking down animal waste or dead plant matter to recycle nutrients into the soil, while others take on the role of predator, keeping pest populations in check. Certain beetles even join the pollination effort, bridging the gap between decomposers and life-givers in the ecosystem. This versatility makes them a cornerstone of environmental stability. Bees, both wild and domesticated, stand as the tireless champions of pollination. Alongside them, other flying insects like hoverflies and moths contribute in their own ways. Hoverflies, often mistaken for bees due to their mimicry, transfer pollen with efficiency, while their larvae prey on aphids, offering natural pest control. Moths, active under the cover of night, pollinate nocturnal blooms, ensuring that the cycle of life persists around the clock. The buzzing and fluttering of all these insects serve as a barometer of environmental health. Their decline is a warning, a signal of broader imbalances that demand action. Conservation efforts are not just acts of goodwill, but necessities for maintaining the ecosystems that sustain us. These late spring bugs, small though they may be, are threads in the grand tapestry of life, binding together plants, animals, and humans in a delicate balance. Their survival is our own, and their protection is a cause that echoes far beyond the fleeting days of spring.